Daniel Watson at Timber and Grain Woodworks recently sent me a new product that he's just released called the ZeroClear DrillPlate. Hi, this is Steve Draper here in my workshop in Bellevue, Nebraska. Here I wanted to talk to you about this new product that Daniel sent to me called the ZeroClear DrillPlate. You probably saw me using this in my video on making table inserts out of MDF, and I used this product on that video. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about it. The thing I like about this particular product is, first, to show you why I like it, I want to show you what the Shopsmith solution is for this and how that works. So the Shopsmith, this is the drum sanding table insert from Shopsmith with the attachment on it for dust collection. And of course, when we want to use it, it goes in like this, and we screw it down. And then usually people will use this for doing drum sanding, but also they will also leave it in there if they're doing some drilling as well. And typically, if they need a backer board, they'll take a board like this and put this on your table. I want to move this out of the way here. As a backer board underneath your stock when you're drilling. And up till this point, before I got the drill plate, that's what I have always had to do. And if I needed a new spot for a new clean backup hole, I had to move my piece of wood around. And after enough period of time of moving it around, then if I wanted to get new positions, I'd have to cut this and so that it was not as wide and move it. So that's how I've been doing this for years and years. So with the ZeroClear drill plate, this center plate here comes out just like that. And it's got a recess in here, so I could still use this if I want to for my drum sander, just like that. And of course, my drum sander will fit down in there, and I can attach the dust collector port on there because it's tapped here. It's got the screw positions here, so I can add that if I want to. So I can still use it for that. But if I don't want to use it for that, I just want to use it for a backer board, that's where it really shines. Because this insert here, you can see here, I can rotate this to different positions. And I can do up to, I think Dan says, if you're doing a 3/8 inch hole, you can do up to 16 different positions on here before it's wore out. And then what do? Just flip it over and you use the other side. And when it's wore out, then you can put more in here. And so when you get this, it comes with, he's got a couple different packages. The least expensive package comes with this and 5 of these inserts and will not have these holes in here. So if you don't want to use it for the have dust collection on your drum sanding, then you get that less expensive option. If you want to have everything, then you can get it with these already inserts already in here. And he gives you a dust port that comes with it as well. So this is, I like it, and I'll probably be using this quite a bit. It's just really convenient. And of course, if I want to do my dust collection, I can still put that up under there. So let's look at how this is constructed. This is made on a CNC machine. So it's made out of 3/4 inch Baltic birch plywood. And so it's got no voids. It's very precise, and it fits right down in here just perfectly into the table slot. Very snugly. And these recesses for the screws are in the exact perfect position. And these inserts, they also fit down there just perfectly. It's a friction fit. And when you want to do it out, you just pop it out from the bottom. Or you could flip it over if you need to do it that way. If you want to have the dust collector on it for doing drum sanding, then that package comes with this dust collector here, which just screws right on the bottom. Just like that. Of course, fits right down in there. And then you can take your dust collector here. It plugs in right in the bottom, just like that. So if you're looking for an alternative solution, I think this is worth your taking a look at it. I think it's reasonably priced. I think the least expensive package is $35. The bigger package is, I think, is $70, and I think it's well worth it. Steve Draper here for Shopsmith Mark IV 7520. Hope this helps you. See you on the next one.